teaching you guys today to tie your shoes. Okay, we're just going to start like this. We're going to cross and go under with this one, and we're going to pull. Okay, we're going to do that again. Okay, cross, under, and pull. Again. Cross, under, and pull. Now this one's trickier, so we gotta be ready for this, kids. We're going to hold down with our thumb and with our pointer finger, going to wrap around, making a loop, pinch, with our right hand, then going to wrap it around like my dad taught me. Let's see. Then we're going to pull this through and like that.
Nice work. You did it.
That's what we're going to do every time today when we're tying a bow in our shoe. Bye, kids. See you tomorrow.